Welcome back. New game, new rules. Listening to Morrissey. There's a light and it never goes out. Hacker Network. Giving back to the country people. Stopped an 18-wheeler. Ready. Let's make a jacuzzi. So you bought a Coleman. And it looks like this is R2D2. You can buy these brand new through the factory for $250. Currently near freezing temperature, by the way. Okay. The light on. I'll show you what we're talking about here. Okay. I'll show you the parts. That's a 1-inch special hose, highly chemical resistant and thick, so you won't need foam. All I did was use the old couplings to keep the cost down. And the hose looks like that. And that's where I cut them off. Then I put them, jammed it right in there, put silicone tape, haven't had a leak since. Now, $250 for this new, they're on eBay for way more. Get the factory warranty. And for $300, get these tiles. Looks like, whoops, this. And what you'll do is interlock them on the floor. You can see concrete, very cold. 1 layer, 2 layer, and then underneath. You can flip this 150-gallon stock tank that doesn't have UV protection in it, and a farmer can solve their leak problems too. So you put it on backwards. This is just a long cover that's supposed to go over the top, put on the bottom. There's foam peanuts, foam spray, and then this designer tape. And I'll list all the parts for you, roughly $300. $250 for R2D2 puts you at $550, but it'll fit through any doorway. And the only time you'll get an error 2 code is when that filter actually gets clogged on the end. And temperature's nice, and I made it direct. Took the chlorine tab out, bought one of these cheapies. So now you got lights. Give you an idea of the size. Give you an idea of the look. And it's a 150-gallon stock tank with a cover over the top with these foam tiles to hold her in. I know I can at least show this one in. Thanks for watching. New game, new rules. Hack the planet. Been there, done that. Solve 2 problems at once. There's no UV protection in this sucker. Meaning, just like those RV 14-inch square plastic vents that they talk about on the forums, same problem. Huang is the brand, I think, something like that. They buy them and they crack within a year. Rubbermaid, when we took the plastic, put it under a electron microscope, it kept peeling off and flaking, meaning the chemical composition not only doesn't have the UV, it's made so the same material doesn't adhere to it unless you match the chemical brand. But me, I put one of those pool liners in it that's real thick, stepped on the inside, wrapped it around, put it as extra protection on the inside, didn't even have to cut it. I think it was 10 by 15, I'll get the exact on there. And it's now gone from, here's the math, 177 gallons to 100. It's a 150 tank, and it's only filled up 2/3 of the way. My 6'2" foot ass will fit in there. sitting down like an L shape, no problem. Let's see. If the liner leaks, it goes to the tank. The tank, I sealed the plug up with Teflon tape and that white plumber's putty. You need both of them, and then it won't seal first shot. Snug her down correct. Do the torque spec or till it's snug. So if it leaks past that, I've got a cover on upside down. It's all the way filled up. So now 3 ways from the sun, it's done. But also, if you notice the design, if you take out the pump and the hoses like you can, I can stick it in the bathtub. Don't have an old lady, but if you did, you can go in with a golf ball and extra garden hose and have a hoot of a time. Have both of them going because it's portable now. But if you take it out, you have the stock tank ingredients. Buy that cheapy cover that covers it and put a liner in and use some type of tape or silicone, and it should last longer, or buy a better product, one of the two. Haven't had an error 2 code yet. Here's the numbers. 300 gallon a year is roughly a gallon a day for water conservation. A famous poet wrote a famous vulgar poetry in the 70s called Howl, H-O-W-L, H-O Webster's definition to bring attention to the last W-L, water level. So to bring attention to low water level, activist, hardcore. Same thing here. Gallon a day for a bath that's that big for a guy like me sure beats my bathtub or a shower, except that's about 30 gallons plus or minus your water heater size plus the cold adjusted and the whole family. And if multiple people take multiple showers, it's a lot of water. The jacuzzi, 1 gallon a day if you change it 3 times a year. It's also 100 gallons instead of 177. The heater and the motor pump don't have to work as long to heat her up. It'll last probably about twice as long, and it won't create any clogs or error 2s from the crappy filter design, because I didn't use anything from the original design that was crap. And if you pop it, you got your keys, you go whoopee in there and roll around. That's 177 gallons near an electrical cord. You're crazier than me, but hey, you guys make moonshine. I only play with the little ones, and that's enough to blow your face up in a lab. So, this was dedicated to a buddy of mine. We're playing ping pong back and forth. Last time I visited him in Kansas, and we were watching black and white hologram TV in one of these hot tubs that's actually 12 volt off a solar panel, where we just wrapped a copper wire around an overheating 12 volt motor, decided to cool it off and pump it through it. I decided to shoot his coffee cup while he was sitting on the lodge, like on his patio area. And I got a beer out of the fridge that I had in my hand. It was a Desert Eagle. Sorry about that, bro. Anyway, look, this is dedicated to you country people. He tops me. I'm just a hacker. He actually handed me a cup of coffee, had my beer in his hand, shot the same damn gun and hit a car with tannerite under it and flipped it a few times. So nothing personal. Yeehaw, ping pong's back at you. I hacked a stock tank. What do you think about them apples? And there's no UV chemical. That's a lawsuit, by the way. If they say that it's used as an outdoor product and it doesn't last for over a year, all you guys got to do is all assemble a bunch of pictures. If you had 100 to 300 people with separate pictures, it's a done dish. It's called a class action lawsuit, but I'd take it personally, each one of you, because that was $150, but all those components will fit inside of a house is why I did it that way. And the original price was about $500, so for $550 for a ridgid, that's not too bad. Or you can feed your horses some water. Don't be a sheep. Bad idea. New game, new rules out. Hope you enjoyed.